Hey, Gold IRAs come with tax advantages most investors want, but they also come with a storage rule that surprises almost everyone. The IRS requires an approved custodian to hold the metal, and taking personal possession triggers penalties. Physical gold gives you direct ownership and immediate access, but you give up the tax benefits. The real difference comes down to control versus taxes. This video breaks down both options so you can decide which fits your retirement. A Gold IRA is a self-directed retirement account that holds physical gold through an approved custodian, so you don't hold the metal yourself. The custodian stores your bullion in a secure depository, and home storage is treated as a distribution. If you store IRA gold at home, the IRS hits you with taxes and penalties that can wipe out your tax benefits. Physical gold outside an IRA means direct ownership, and you buy bars or coins from a dealer. You store them where you want and access them anytime without permission. Many investors think a gold IRA gives them coins for their safe, but mixing the two triggers serious IRS consequences. Now here's the part that matters most. With a Gold IRA, your gold grows tax-free inside the account until you start taking distributions in retirement. A traditional account gives you a tax deduction now, while a Roth lets you pull money out tax-free later. Withdraw before 59.5, and you pay a 10% penalty plus ordinary income tax on whatever you take out. Physical gold has no age restrictions, so you can buy or sell anytime. But the IRS taxes gains at the 28% collectibles rate no matter how long you hold the metal. So the tax picture flips depending on whether you need the money before or after retirement. For 2026, IRA contributions are capped at $7,500 or $8,600 if you're age 50 or older. Here's where it gets important. Choose a Gold IRA if you're building retirement savings and you want tax advantages. This fits well if you're rolling over an existing 401k or IRA without triggering taxes. If you're near retirement and want to protect what you've built, this keeps your protections inside the tax shelter. Go with physical gold if you need direct control and the freedom to sell without age restrictions or penalties. It works better when your retirement accounts are covered and you want a hedge you can hold. If you want the metal close for emergencies, physical gold is your only path. Neither option is better, because they solve different problems, and the wrong choice is picking one without understanding what you're giving up. So here's the bottom line. The question is not which one is better, but which fits your timeline and need for control. If a Gold IRA sounds right, there's a free Gold IRA kit in the description that breaks down the rollover process with no obligation. Either way, know what you're buying before you buy it. If this helps, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions.